Thank you to all who have subscribed. And if you haven't yet, please do. This helps me to continue bringing you the beauty of the bighorns. What is it about the summer in the Bighorn Mountains of Wyoming, other than pure magic? A quieter, wilder alternative. The big name parks, with dramatic elevation changes, vibrant wildflower meadows, sparkling alpine lakes, and rugged granite peaks rising above 13,000 feet. Right now, mid-July 2026, you're in peak season. Trails and high country roads are open, wildflowers are exploding in the meadows, and the long days are perfect for adventure. Elevation makes all the difference here. At lower elevations, near Sheridan or Buffalo, July days often reach the upper 70s to mid 80s, with cool nights in the 50s. This summer, though, is different, with temps in the hundreds. Up in the high country, it's significantly cooler, though. Think highs in the 60s or 70s. And chilly nights. Afternoon thunder showers are common in summer, so start hikes early. Pack layers, a rain jacket, sunscreen, and sturdy boots. Weather can shift fast. Even in July, you might see a brief snow flurry on the highest peaks. I know I have. Summer transforms the Bighorns into a lush paradise. Mountains burst with Indian paintbrush, lupine, columbine, and geraniums. Crystal clear alpine lakes reflect jagged peaks and evergreens. Waterfalls soar and roar with snowmelt. And the forests smell of pine and damp earth after a storm. Wildlife is abundant and active. Moose in the willows, elk and deer in the meadows, bighorn sheep on rocky slopes, black bears, marmots, and golden eagles overhead. You might even get to see a mountain lion. The night skies are spectacular, some of the darkest in the lower 48.